Hey guys, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. Today I'm doing my first public event since all this COVID crap started. And today we are at Seeds of Grace Acres Farmers Market, which has about 20 vendors, one of which I am. And we will be selling plants, and there's other folks selling produce, and they're going to have live music and a food truck and all kinds of stuff. So we will walk you through this both now, early on, and as it's going on. So there's ample parking here if you decide to come out and join. This is in Augusta, West Virginia. And as you come up, plenty of things for the kids to look at as well. There's ducks over here in the duck pond. And like I said, plenty of parking there. There are goats up here in one of the fields, and they were talking about having possibly a petting zoo at some time in the future here. So let me walk on up and do a walk around the vendor area up there. And this here is the entrance, and you come up to the vendors here. Starting on this side, each vendor has a specific spot. I believe they have 20 set up. Over to here where they will have a little live music. I'm not sure where the food truck's going to set up. I know they're going to have a food truck. Okay, and the first booth that you walk into is Harris Crafts and Candy. And we have the proprietor here who's going to give us a little tour.
Okay, I'm Lisa Harris, and we are doing, we have a variety of different things. We do wine racks, we have bag holders, some wreaths, flower arrangements, different crafts, salt and pepper shakers. We have some Father's Day cups with us today, bowling pin art, just a little bit of variety of different things. We have bottles, beer bottles. We just kind of do a variety. We have banana bread and some chocolates that I've got put in the cooler right now that we're getting a little fun, so we keep those away. So it's kind of a variety that we do at this booth.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And this booth is being run by Beverly and her daughter, and they are out of Levels, and they are doing arts and crafts kind of things. So Beverly makes the wreaths that you see here, all kinds. Oh, there we go. DW Wreaths and Decor. Blow up of that. And her daughter makes the signs and some of the other arts and crafts stuff here. So lots of different things here. Beverly is busy working right now. She says she's got too much work to do. She doesn't want to talk to us. I'm here harassing a half hour before we get started. Okay, our next booth here is also an arts and crafts booth. And this is Tessa here.
Hi.
And Tessa is with MW Crafts and Candles. Her and her partner Robin here run this. So Robin, I guess, makes the wood over here with paintings and different things on them, all done by hand. Various different sayings and phrases. Let me come over here so you can get a good look at some of these. And Tessa works on the candles and some of the other crafts over here. And I am guessing that she hand makes all the scents and everything, as well as some bouquet wreaths.
Yeah.
Oops, I'm sorry, wreaths are in the back there.
Yeah.
And some bouquets over here. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
M&W Crafts.
Thank you.
Okay, and this next booth is actually the owner of this fine establishment here who is running it, and she is going to explain everything going on here herself with regards to her booth and possibly the setup if she wants.
Yeah, sure. So we are the Small Farmers Farm and Craft Market, and we're sponsored by our farm here, Seeds of Grace Acres. And we are a farmers market for local producers and crafters, and we have about 20 revolving vendors. We're running every Saturday from June 19th through October 9th, 10 to 2. And there's always going to be different vendors every Saturday. We've got fry mix, like I have here at my booth. We have essential oils, eggs, all kinds of baked goods. Lots of the vendors have a huge variety of things. And as you go on down, you'll see the rest of those. But yeah, so come on out if you can make it every Saturday till October 9th.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey guys, Todd here. I'm on the wrong side of the camera. Usually I'm on that side, but my wife is holding the camera, and I'm going to give you a little quick tour of our booth here. So this is our sign, Great Escape Farms. Don't get to use it much, especially with COVID going on, but we sell unique edible plants, which is here. Not so unique being blueberries and blackberries and raspberries, but we have things like pawpaw trees and horseradish. You see horseradish in the store, not many people get to grow it. We have hardy kiwi, and hardy kiwi is actually grown, can be grown all the way up to zone 3 in some areas, depending on the variety that you have. We have, let's see, elderberry, and we also have some annuals here and a number of different plants. We also have some excess fruit from our trees. So these right here are some sour cherries. We have some blueberries, and we have a select named variety of mulberry here, Cucoso, which is very, very long. And since I touched this, I'm afraid I'll have to eat it. Very good. So, again, this is our booth. We hope to be selling plants online starting in late 2021 or 2022. So check us out on greatescapefarms.com, and also check out our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and search Great Escape Farms. We have a lot of different videos out there. Okay, we are here at J&J Farm, their booth. And
how you doing? We raise a little produce and a lot of plants, and we have honeybees that'll be giving us a little honey later on, maybe in June or July. My wife is a master gardener. She used to work below, so she's a master gardener at that. And we just enjoy doing stuff like this. She's into it more than I am. She made her candles and stuff, and we're excited because this is the first time we've ever done it. And when our garden starts coming in, it's rather large. 100-foot rows of zucchini and yellow squash and cucumbers, and we grow them nothing but manure. Chicken and donkey and goat. So it's all organic, I guess, if you call it that. All my chickens that we have are free range. We have chickens, ducks, and turkeys. The turkeys are kind of slow on the laying right now. The ducks do good. 4 eggs out of 4 hens every day. We appreciate being able to participate in this, and we just hope everybody enjoys it. Maybe next time in 2 weeks we'll have a few more eggs. The girls were a little reluctant to give me any this time. But we're happy to be here, and we thank you for coming.
Well, thank you. Let's get a little look at what they have going on here.
Yeah.
They have some fresh herbs over here. I can see I'm going to be coming back here buying some stuff.
Got some sunflower seeds on the side.
Oh, I like sunflowers too.
Sunflower plant. I got them staked up.
Okay, we are now at Sunshine Hill Farms in Slanesville, just down the road. And we have the owner here that's going to explain to us what's going on.
Hello, I'm Tiffany Zirk, and we have a variety of just about everything. We have goat's milk soap that we have milked our goats for and made homemade. We have sugar scrubs made from essential oils, and Epsom salt soaks made from essential oils.
I made rear soap.
We have some bags, some tote canvas bags that we'll be selling. In addition to, we have some ducks and a variety of select chickens that we'll be selling as well.
Okay, and we are now up to Nellies Flower Farm right down the road in Augusta.
Yes, so I'm Lexi. This is Nellies Flower Farm. We are a fresh cut flower farm. We recently bought my great-grandmother's farm, and we're going to sell bouquets of fresh cut flowers, and then also have a pick your own flowers just to come and hang out with us on the farm and make your own bouquets. So please come see us.
That is awesome. And we'll look at some of the items here on their table. It looks like lavender there.
It is.
Plenty of bouquets.
Some of ours that we had bought.
Okay, we are at Thorpe Farms now, and they have today a combination of produce and baked goods, and in the future they will have a lot more produce. So they're just filling their table here with some, looks like yummy baked goods back there, as well as a number of fresh herbs and flowers and some spring onion sets and a number of different things here. So come by and check out Thorpe Farms. Okay, we are coming up to Promised Hope Farm, and let me get a view of their board here. They have a number of things primarily dealing with poultry, chicken, and stuff like that, and they are taking orders for turkeys for Thanksgiving. They will also offer eggs and everything pasture raised here, and also some yummy keto treats, and I am all about that. I'm definitely going to be coming back here later. Okay, we are with Mountain Fiber Fancies here. They have a tent set up, and we'll hopefully get a demo here in just a moment.
So we specialize in local spun, local wool, alpaca. We have blends for bamboo, acrylic, nylon. We sell yarn, actually just if you want to knit yourself, or we have done products such as shawls like this one, which are a wool and nylon blend. And then if you come this way, we have a little bit of everything. We got hats, we have gloves, scarves, stuff for the little ones. If you're interested, scully caps for the babies, little bowls. We have cozies for the cups, nice heavy shawls. We have light stuff too for winter. Beautiful newborn baby sets. For the girls or boys, it doesn't really matter. We have finger puppets, which this one's my favorite. It's a little elephant. And like I said, all of it is hand spun. All the wool comes from local farms. All the alpaca fur comes from local farms. And we go through and tediously make it as smooth and as comfortable for people. And if you have a special request or a special color, just ask. We can perform any kind of magic that you might think of. So.
And our next booth is Barefoot Farms, and they offer seasonal produce and fruit and things like that, as well as canned stuff. There's some right there. So, Barefoot Farmer. And a little bit early in the season, but they still have a lot of stuff that my plants are barely even starting, and they already have fruit, so they are doing wonderful here. Okay, and on to the next booth, which is back here right next to the stage, and I believe that we'll be seeing this gentleman a little bit later, because I believe that he is one of the performers.
Yes, sir. So my name's Ben Townsend, and I'm here to play some music, and I've come back home to work on a program for youth music and community music lessons and different things. We're working on some after-school programs and stuff like that. Both traditional music from around here and kind of creative, like electronic music stuff, different things. And so I've got a bunch of recordings here and stuff. This is the most recent thing we've done. It's a CD or a print that a friend did. We're doing a whole series of these. So this is all the music of a fiddler from Braxton County named Melvin Wine. So the recording is all one side fiddle, one side solo banjo, and there's a whole lesson group that goes with this online. It's a whole thing I've been working on. But the main idea here today is to raise some money for local youth musicians to take lessons and to work on getting some instruments in the hands of kids and keeping them out of trouble and giving them something positive to do.
Awesome.
And so with me today is Deanna, and she's made a bunch of amazing food, and she's kind of running her own business here that's also part of this.
So my name's Deanna Blackwell, and I run Wild Nettle Apothecary, and which is an online Etsy shop where I work full-time and make lotion and soap and seasonal herbal skincare goods. And then I'm a baker. I'm just a home baker, so I baked all of these goodies to help with Ben's project.
Be a long time going from you, baby. Never hear me knock upon your door. I loved you once, but I was crazy and I won't want you anymore. I won't want you. My walking shoes don't fit me anymore. Stay on your side of town, honey, I won't be around. My walking shoes don't fit me.